My motovlogging helmet is good to go. It's FASTLANE. I've been wanting to get this started for a little while now. I've wanted to motovlog since I watched people like Shade Tree Surgeon, Ride to Food, Brandon Picasso, Adam Sandoval, some of my top favorite people to watch. So at the beginning of the year, I found a couple GoPros from my kids, and I started fiddling with those a little bit. I'd put them on the bike, I'd tried it out a little bit, and I didn't really know what I was doing exactly, but I've been figuring it out a little bit. Finally got the mic adapter for my GoPro. I have a GoPro 6 and a GoPro 7, so you actually have to have a very specific mic adapter for those GoPros. I know, 8, 9, 10, all those you have to have mic adapters for too, but that's a whole different one now. I found one on eBay. I found it used and got it all hooked up, and I'll tell you a little bit about that a little bit later. But right now, you want to see some of the footage? Let's check it out.
All right, kids, we're about ready to go to town. Let's go have some fun. Oh, well, here we are, heading out from work. Let's get this sucker in neutral real quick. It's actually really very warm out here right now. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's kind of unusual for this time of the year, spring. Just feeling a little bit on the toasty side. And yeah, I don't know. This is my new, I got the whole Motovlog setup going on here, but I'm not loving, I ain't gonna lie, I'm not loving wearing this ninja mask underneath this thing right now, because it literally, it's freaking hot. It is hot. All right, enough complaining. Let's go ride. I'll show you the way home. Let's go take a trip through the park first. Alright, those are some of my buddies from work. So, yeah. Oh, it's nice in the shade. Holy crap. That is nice. There's another friend. My buddy Lauren. Good guys. I work with some really fantastic people, without a doubt. Just gold, top notch, man. Gotta love them, It's good to love the people that you work with, without a doubt. Anyways, that's the Willamette River right over there. I don't know if you can see that. I'm trying to give you a little look-see at it. But I would normally ride my normal way home, even though it's not really that exciting. But I thought I'd go down through the park to show you a little bit of the area here where I live, and maybe just go somewhere, something that's a little more scenic and a little cooler, Also, the way that I normally go when I was coming home and coming back to the shop in my work truck, I literally realized that there was glass all over the exact lane that I typically have to go in to turn. So I'm like, I ain't going that way. So let's do something different. Let's just go on a little cruise. You know what? It's a beautiful sunshiny day. The weather's amazing right now. I mean, it's definitely probably pushing 60 or right around it. And it's just freaking nice out here. I'm loving life, dude. I am loving life. I gotta say, I'm definitely a motorcycle commuter. I commute as much as possible on my bike. I don't live that far from work, so I enjoy commuting on the bike. You know, a lot of people have varying opinions on commuting. They don't want to commute. I commute kind of rain or shine for the most part. Not on the Indian. I'm going to say that as a fact. I don't commute on the Indian in the rain. I don't want to get my bike dirty. I want to keep it nice. I've got the Honda Rebel that, not that there's anything against it, it's used to being in the rain. I've been in the rain a lot with the Honda Rebel, period. So yeah, I'm just super used to that. So yeah, so that's 5th Street public market right there. Kind of cool. And yeah, every time I stop, this shield starts to fog up because it's so warm out here. It's just kind of, I don't know, muggy-ish. Yeah. And kind of where I put my microphone, I might need to change the location a little bit. It's kind of sitting right in this bottom, there's a bottom air vent like right here. And yeah, it's not ideal. So yeah, we'll fix that at some point. Might have to move things around a little bit. It's good to get Monday out of the way, you know? I'm not one of those guys that lives for the weekends or anything. I'm definitely not that guy. I just enjoy my life. And I mean, I wouldn't work a job that I couldn't stand until I, you know, could get to the weekend or something. I just, that's not who I am. I couldn't live like that. So I actually really enjoy my job. I've got a great job. But I appreciate the weekends, let me put it that way. But I appreciate every day when I get off work. I actually work a pretty awesome schedule, so I'm off by 3:30 every day in the afternoon, and I think that's like phenomenal schedule, pretty much, you know, Monday through Fridays. I mean, who can complain about that? Not me. I mean, somebody probably can, but I'm not going to be that guy. I absolutely love my schedule. And yeah, as you can see, this is kind of the city, and there's lots of construction going on and exciting things happening. I don't know. There's lots of problems here too, you know. It's just like anywhere. Everybody seems to have their bits and pieces of trouble and problems in their cities, you know. And I mean, maybe there's somewhere that's not like that. I don't know. If there is, tell me about it. I might want to move there. You never know. But yeah, for me, it's just kind of the way it is. Everywhere has its trouble, everywhere has its problems. It's part of life, you know. It is what it is, and you know, if you love your city and you love where you live, you're gonna have to deal with some of that stuff. There's things you're gonna have to deal with, things that are gonna be a part of it. Etc., etc., etc. Let's go down this way. Let's go down this way. Let's go this way. It's good to make sure everybody sees you. Nobody tends to try to run you over purposefully. I mean, there's probably a few people that might. But as a whole, most people, they're good people. They're not trying to hurt anybody. They don't want to kill somebody or injure them, you know. But it's good to keep an eye on things. Keep an eye on people around you. Make sure that they know that you're there, etc., etc. You know, it's just a good idea as a whole. It's fun too, you know. It's honestly fun to get out like this, because you could definitely see people checking out the bike, checking out your gear, checking out your stuff, you know, thinking that you look cool. How fun is that? I mean, I put some effort and some energy into trying to look cool on my bike, you know, I really do. To me, it's important.
All right, so as you can see there, some of that footage got cut off. That's just me wandering around town here in Oregon and just kind of showing you some stuff right after work. So that's my first attempt at motovlogging. Was it the most epic, the most amazing? Of course it was. Yeah, because it's me we're talking about here. You know it was amazing, just you may not want to admit it. Yeah, we have a cool little town here, and it's kind of fun to look around. It's not a very scenic time of the year. And honestly, I'm still working on some of my editing skills, and that video turned out a little bit dark, actually, because it was only like 3:30 in the afternoon, and I'm like, man, that looks dark when I got it all said and done. But whatever, it's cool. It did get cut off a little short because, well, I'd been fiddling with the cameras the night before, and I actually used them on the way into work that morning to try to get some footage and just see what I could get. And yeah, by the time I was heading home, the batteries were dying. So you get what you get, and you don't throw a fit. You know, you got a little bit. So that's what we get right now. But you guys want to see my Motovlog setup? Let's check it out. All right, guys. So I promised I would show you my GoPro helmet motovlogging setup. So let's check it out. All right, kids. So here we are out in the very messy garage. All my little GoPro parts are like all thrown down there right now. I was going through looking for stuff. Looks horrible right now. Oh man, I hope my wife doesn't see this. Anyways, so I guess we'll start right here. So there's the old Indian Scout bobber right there, looking so pretty and so cool. Basically right here on the headlight cowl, I have a GoPro Hero 6, is what that one is. Hero 6 black. So that one is basically capturing what you see, you know, of me up there above the ape hangers where you can see the Icon Airflite and all that. And, you know, you just basically see my head and see me riding up there. Right here on my Icon, man, that's dirty. Look at that. I should have cleaned that thing. Right here on the Icon Airflite, essentially is the Hero 7 black. And I confiscated these from a couple of my kids. And you can see right here this really fancy mod I did with the electrical tape. That right there is the GoPro adapter that you need, okay? So this is the one that you're getting that first person kind of look from. And if you come along the side here, you can kind of see I've got this weird little arm thing all up in here. Yeah, that I've got hooked on the side of the helmet right there, and it's kind of coming around. Well, this is where that little adapter is that came in the Purple Panda. The 3-prong to the 2-prong. It's that little thing. It's about, I don't know, 2 inches, 3 inches long right there. And if you don't have that adapter, man, your mic's not going to work. So that goes up, goes inside the helmet. And let's just take the helmet off here for a sec. Let's walk around. Let's go over here real quick. Let's just sit right there. Here we go. Oh, that's a nice clean spot. Anyways, we're keeping it real. But yeah, so if you open this up, you can't see nothing. See? Nope, nothing at all. But if you actually flip it over, you can get inside here, and you could see right up in here, I think. I'm going to kind of point to it here. Right there. That little fuzzy guy with a piece of double-sided stick tape. That's the purple, no, it's not the Purple Panda. That's my Amazon cheapy mic, but it's got the Purple Panda wind deflector. That thing works amazing. Essentially the rest of the cord is kind of shoved right up in here and rolled up with a piece of tape, and then it goes out here to the camera, etc., and it looks amazing. To tell you the truth, man, you don't have to have the best brand new GoPros that are out there. You know, there's a lot of really quality, you know, cameras that maybe aren't quite, is that gonna stay? You know, maybe aren't, you know, not quite as fancy as like maybe the new 9 or the 10 or whatever. And they do have some really cool features and some stuff that probably makes things a little easier. But this will totally do the job for you. I know Shade Tree Surgeon, he's still using like a GoPro 4 or something, man. He's old school, kicking it old school. Doesn't need no mic adapter. No way, man. Anyways, so way to go, Shade Tree. But yeah, so that's my Motovlog setup, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you got any questions, comment, like, talk to me, share, all that good stuff. Talk to me. I'll answer any questions about it that I can. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the video. I'm still learning, but I'll take your criticism and your advice to heart. All right, peace. All right, so that's my entire helmet setup. Basically, it's the Icon Airflite helmet that I'm using right now. I've got a little mic on there. I don't even know what mic that is. It's not the Purple Panda. I'm actually using the Purple Panda right here. but it's a bunch of the accessories from the Purple Panda. And I just heard about the Purple Panda being like a good mic for motovlogging. And that's a little mic that I started out with. It's like some little cheapy thing I got off Amazon. I don't even know what it is. It's like the cheapest mic one of my kids got off there at one point. But it actually, I think it sounds pretty okay for the motovlog stuff. So I'm gonna keep in my helmet, keep this one, the Purple Panda, on my lapel for these types of videos. And the cool thing about the little Purple Panda kit was I actually bought it used. I think I paid like 20 some dollars on eBay, but it was like still in the box, all the stuff was there. One thing you gotta know about these GoPro adapters is your regular mic, like the Purple Panda mic, when you plug it in, it's not gonna work in that adapter. And the reason is because on that little, I think it's a little like 1/8 inch little plug, I'll just pretend this is it. And it's got 3 black lines on the plug. And that won't work in the GoPro. You've gotta have one that's got 2 black lines. So luckily for me, I was starting to pull my hair out because I'd bought the adapter used as well, and the Purple Panda used. So I was like, did I get a messed up GoPro adapter here? Somebody fried it or something? But no, I found a really cool guy that's actually a biker up in Portland. I didn't get his name, but yeah. And he had a video on YouTube about it, and man, it just answered all my questions. And I went out and looked in my box. I was like, I think that little Purple Panda has some adapters. Yep, the exact adapter I needed. So if your mic has 3 black lines on the little plug, you need one with 2 black lines. So you need an adapter that takes it from the 3 to the 2. I have no idea what it's called. I'm not gonna do everything for you, all right? You gotta do your own homework on this one. But just know, you need the 2 black lines, not the 3 black lines on your mic adapter, all right? Okay, so anyways, there it is. There's my first attempt at motovlogging. I promise at some point I'll give you something more scenic than that. Actually, our little town here looks really pretty when the buds start coming out on the trees. Right now it looked a little desolate, but yeah, I'll take you through some areas that get really, really pretty in the springtime, and we'll go out and run around and do some other things as well. I'm not really gonna be one of those guys that just like motovlogs every day, you know, off my bike. That's not what I'm here to do. Some people do it. Some people do it great. Some people not as good. But everybody's trying, you know, we're all trying. And that's not gonna be my thing. I can tell you right now, I'm not gonna motovlog all the time on my bike when I feel like it's appropriate and I want to, and I just feel like it. That's what I'm gonna do. As you've probably already noticed, this channel is kind of a little bit of this and a little bit of that and a little bit of the other thing, you know. I just kind of do whatever I feel at the time, and I'm enjoying it. Seems like you guys are too. I hope you are. Anyways, like, share, subscribe, let people know about my channel. Please give me a thumbs up, all right? Give me some likes, and share this with your friends, and subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, what's the matter with you? You need to subscribe to this channel so you know when I make another video, okay? I really, really appreciate everybody that's subscribed so far. Keep on subscribing, keep on liking, keep on talking to me in the comments below. I've enjoyed the conversations I'm having with people. Got a buddy, Mark, from Australia. Yeah, I think that's cool. People from around the world talking to you over here in Oregon. Yeah, I like it. It's cool. So keep on commenting, keep on chatting with me. Like, share, subscribe, tell somebody about the channel, and keep it shiny side up. It's FASTLANE.